Hi, I'm Cheri Roman from Roman Agency, Inc. in Austin, Texas. Welcome to another segment of Insurance, Death, and Taxes. I've concluded the auto section, and now I'm going to focus on homeowner insurance. In light of all the recent wildfires in the state of Texas, I thought it was appropriate to just highlight some things about your homeowner policy that you might want to consider at this time. I've been getting a lot of calls this week, as you might imagine, from people who are concerned that maybe they don't have proper coverage on their homeowner policy. The first thing you should do is take out your policy. I know people hate to do that. It really is very boring. But if you look at your policy, like on this third or fourth page, it's called the declaration page. And you look at your policy, you can see what the insurance company has listed about your house. Now, it will mention how much square footage you have. It will talk about what type of kitchen you have. Is it a designer kitchen? Is it a very basic kitchen? How many bathrooms? And then it will give you amount for the dwelling coverage. The dwelling coverage is not the market value of your home. The market value of your home includes the land, and the insurance companies don't insure your land. We only insure the dwelling, the cost to rebuild your house from the ground up. So you need to look at that number, and you need to make sure that that figure that is on your policy is enough to rebuild your house in the event of a total loss. Now, insurance companies will rerun the calculation. We call it a replacement value calculation. And we can rerun that for you if you call and you say, hey, I'm concerned that maybe I don't have enough coverage. What we do is we will go through and just make sure that everything we have listed on the policy is actually what you have. Another thing you might want to do right now is take an inventory of everything that you have in your house. Go from room to room. Most people have a video camera on their phone now. You can just take a film of each room, maybe make inventory of how much the value is of each item, or maybe when you purchased it, whatever, and put that in a safe place. Put it in like a firebox along with your important papers. There's so many factors, there's so many things when something like this happens, where you have a fire or something sudden, and the only good thing that happens out of this that I can come up with is it does make people really want to look at their insurance and make sure they're properly covered and protected. Remember, your home is usually one of your most valuable assets. So it's really important that you take out your policy, look at it, sit down with your insurance agent, and just make sure that you're properly covered. After looking at your own policy, if you have any questions, please go to my website, send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer your questions in a future blog. Or you can call my office, and I'd be happy to answer them personally. Thank you so much for your time. I hope you learned something about homeowner insurance. And until next time, I'm Cheri Roman with Roman Agency, Inc. in Austin, Texas. Thanks.